birthday card maker app. So let's start. So first I am going to show you that how this app works. So I'll click on run. Just a minute. It's running. Right. Just a minute. Okay, so now it's running and there is some music also here. I can mute this music also. Right, so here I have added some music also. I can mute this music from this button. This is the sound button, and when I again click on it, the music was on. So I'll switch it off for now. So now it's off. So now here a note is written. Your cards won't be saved, so please take a screenshot or photo of them. Means the cards that the people are going to make on this app won't be saved. So they should take a screenshot or photo. Okay, so now I will click on make card. Right, so this is our second screen. Screen 2. Here the heading is details. Then text options. So you can write the text if you want, and you can not write it also. Sorry, you can don't write it also. Right. So I want to write here. I will write here. Happy birthday, Sundar Pichai ji. Okay, so it was the birthday of Mr. Sundar Pichai ji on 10th June. Okay, so now I'm going to select the text color. So you can use these sliders for that. Okay, what about red? Here. Okay, so I have selected red right here. Let's click on next. So you can select the background and some image. So I will select the background by clicking on this photo select. This is a photo select. When you click on it, a dialog box would open. It's opening right now. Right, just a minute. It's loading. Still loading. Right, so now it has opened. So now I'm going to select the file which I want. So first I will select the background. So I'm going to select it. Right. So this is the image. Now I'm going to click on open. And now you can't see the image right here which you have selected. So first you have to tick this checkbox. So I have ticked it and this is the image. Now I'm going to select another image by clicking on the second photo select. Again it's loading. Right, so I'm going to select the file and now I'm going to click on open. So now again I will take this checkbox. Right, so this is the photo of Mr. Sundar Pichai. Now I'm going to click on done. So here you can see something else. So first you have to tick this. You can add some background or you can just stick with white. Right, so here I have chosen a good background of happy birthday, and this is the photo of Sundar Pichai ji and happy birthday Sundar Pichai ji. Okay, so you can select other colors also and other images in backgrounds also and some other text, and you can click on edit to edit all this. Now when you click on this button, okay, so you can you cannot see this box properly, it's all messed up. So we will reset this first. So today there is a new thing, we are going to change depth. So I will set the screen to screen 2. Screen 2. This. Right, it's coming. Right, it's there now. Now I will select this text into 1 and change its depth. So for changing depth, you have to scroll down till the end. Now you can see here 4 arrows, and to bring it back you have to press this one, and for bringing it forward you have to press this one. So we have to bring it back. So I'll press this and it's back now. Same with this also. Now this. Now these sliders back. Now slider number 2 back. Slider number 3 also back. And now these two ladies. Okay, so let's scroll down. Back. Again back. And again back. Right. So now here you are not able to see the colors properly because of these balloons. So let's take it somewhere else so that you're able to see the colors properly. So first I'm going to select this button. Just a minute. It's loading right now. Just a minute. We have Okay, so we have to select the next button. So I'll click on it. It's selected now. Now I will drag this a little bit here, a little bit here to make it up. Right. Now I will drag this label 4 and place it right here. Okay, so now I'm going to explain you the coding. So here I have already done the coding and I have done the designing also. So first I have declared a variable. So first let's go to screen 1. Screen 1. It's coming. Right. So I will click on this arrow right here. Now I will click on screen 1. Right. So now here I have written set screen 1. So I have declared a variable x which equals to nothing. So it's empty. And then play sound. I have selected a sound that is played all the time. Then on event button 1. This is button 1. Set screen 2. So now let's go to screen 2. So I will click on screen 2. Right. So now I'm going to scroll down. Now here it is written on event slider 1 input. Set property label 14 background color to RGB get text slider 1. Okay, so I will show you the rest also. Just a minute. Right. RGB get text slider 1, get text slider 2, get text slider 3, and here it is written community. And same with the other two sliders too. So now let's go back to rest of the code. Let's scroll up. Right. And then it is written here on event button 2 click set screen 3. So this is button 2. So when this is clicked, then screen 3 should appear. So I'll take it to screen 3 now. Screen 3. So here it is. Right, let's scroll down first. Ornament checkbox 1. So this is a checkbox right here. Checkbox, this also a checkbox, this is a photo select, and this also a photo select. This is the label, this is also a label, and then this is an image, this also an image, and these two are buttons. So now on event checkbox 1 click, set image URL. So set image URL, image 3, get image photo select 3. Okay, so this photo select's ID is photo select 3. So set image URL image 3. So it means you will click this checkbox, then here an image should appear, and this image will take the final image from photo select 3. This is photo select 3. So this will take image from this, and same for this also. Let me scroll down. On event checkbox 2, set image URL image 4, get image URL photo select 4. Right, and then it is on event button 4. So this is button 4, the previous button. Okay, so on event button 4 set screen 2. So if someone wants to edit previous details, then they can go to edit them by clicking on previous. And then on event button 3, so button 3 is screen 4. Right, so here I have just set, and here is another image. Here is a label which you are not able to see, but its ID is label 8. Here is a button for editing if they want to edit something, and then this is a checkbox. So set screen 4, set text label 8, get text input 1. So we already saw text input 1 on our second screen, in which all the text is written like happy birthday, God bless you, and all. So the text which is written in text input 1 should be displayed in label 8 right here on the final screen. And then let's scroll down a little bit more, and then on event checkbox 3 click. So when checkbox 3 is clicked, this is checkbox 3. Set image URL image 1, get image URL image 3. So here the image should be the image which is in image number 3 that was on a previous screen and was the background. So here is the background. And then set image URL image 2 to get image URL image 4. So image 4 was this image. This. And this is a useless block. So let's just leave it. It is of no use here. Now on event button 5 set screen 2. So this is button 5, and when this is clicked, then screen 2 should appear. So let's go to screen 2 now. There is some code for it. So here is one more button which is named as button 6 right here. So when button 6 is clicked, a sound should be played like it was being played last time. So play sound this one. And here there are two options for false and true. So I'll click this arrow right here. So here you can see true and false. So here true means the sound should be continued continuously, means it shouldn't stop when it it will not stop when we will not code for it to stop. So it is false right here, means it will play only once. And when this is clicked, then this right here is a label. Are you sure you want to exit? Your changes won't be saved. To save, please take a photo or screenshot of your card. And this all is written on a button which is named as button 7. So show element button 7, show element button 8, show element button 9, show element button 12. So these are all the things. Now let's scroll down a little bit more. Right, so let's scroll. Just a minute. Right, so now let's scroll. It is scrolling. Right. So now it is on event button 9. Click hide element button 7, 8, 9 and 12. Just a minute. Let's scroll up. Right. So now when this button, which is cancel, this cancel button is clicked, then all these things would be hidden again. So now let's scroll down. So here I have declared one function which is named as reset. So this function will set text input 1 to nothing, and then set image URL image sheet to x and x is empty, and then set image URL image 4 to x2. Okay, so now I will scroll down and let's go to screen. Right, screen 1 now. It is some code for it. This code. Right. So here I forgot to tell you that there are two buttons right here. Two buttons. One is button 12 and one is button 11. So button 12 is hidden right here and button 11 is visible. So when button 11 is clicked in, stop the sound which is being played, that was being played all the time. Just stop that sound and then set position button 12 to get X position, right, X and Y positions like here. You can see here X 278 and Y 61 like that only. Get position button 11. So get X position button 11. So the position which button, the X position which button 11 is having, button 12 will also take the same position. And then a Y position, it is also same, button 11 only. And then button 11 would be hidden and button 12 would be visible. So that is how it will work. And then here button 12 would be displayed then. And then when button 12 would be clicked, then the sound will again start and button 12 will go to its original place and hide itself and show element button 11. So this was all the code. So I will tell you the designing once more so that you understand it better. So I will go to design now. So this is our screen 1. Here I have selected a good background, and then this is a label right here, and then this is a button 1. Here I have written make card and selected a good color. It is light pink. This is button 11, which is not hidden, and this is button 12, which is hidden. To hide a button you have to first scroll down and then tick this option. If this is not ticked, then this is also visible. So you want that the users should not see two buttons, they should see only one button. Then you should hide it so that it looks much more good. Then here I have also inserted one label. Here I have written some note for everyone so that they take a screenshot of photo if they want to save their card. So now on screen 2, I've again selected a good background, and then this is button 6 where I have inserted an icon. So this icon's name is chevron left. You can search it and then choose. And then the icon color is black, the border width is 1 only. Right. Now I have inserted a label right here. Let's scroll up. So this is a label. This is also a label. Then there was a text input right here. Okay, so let me show you this. I will scroll down and remove this hidden tick. So this is the text which I have written. I will make visible some more things. Right. Now this, and now this. Okay, so now you can see this very well right here. So now let's hide everything again, and we will run our app once more then. Hidden. So now everything is hidden. So let's run our app and check if it works properly. So I will click on run, and there it is. Now I'm going to write the sound is being loaded. Right, it's there now. So now I'm not going to mute the sound. I'll click on make card. The details will be right. Happy birthday, Silver G. Now text color. A little bit of blue. So let's make it white. Right, this looks good. Now let's click on next. I'll select the background by this photo select. The dialog box is being loaded. It's opening. Right. So now I'm going to select the file. You can select some other music also if you want. Right. Let's select the background now. Open it. Again photo select. I'll take it. Right. So there's the background. Okay, so I'll select the image now. The dialog box that's already open. Now I'll take it and now click on done. Now again take it. There it is. It's a beautiful. It's and it's a beautiful image. You can also create some other body card if you want and take a screenshot or photo of it and send it to your friends. And you can edit it by clicking on edit. So I'd like to change the color. Right. Now let's see it. I'll remove it. Let's. Okay. So let's next step. Now everything is done and click on done. First we have to remove the tick, then edit, then next, then done, and there it is. Now let's stick it. Okay, so this was how we make a body card maker app. You can also share it and rename your project if you want. So this was how we make a body card maker app. Bye bye. Thank you. Hope you